Hey there, science fans! Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines the wonders of nature with cutting-edge science. Have you ever wondered how we clean up pollution? It's a massive challenge that affects our air, water, and soil. It's a big problem, right? Pollution can harm wildlife, disrupt ecosystems, and even affect our health. Well, get ready to be amazed by the power of nature. Believe it or not, nature has its own way of dealing with pollution. Tiny microorganisms like bacteria and fungi are hard at work cleaning our environment. These microscopic heroes are everywhere, from the soil beneath our feet to the water we drink. We call this process bioremediation. It's a scientific method that harnesses the natural abilities of these microorganisms to break down pollutants. It's all about using these tiny helpers to break down harmful pollutants into harmless substances. Imagine them as a microscopic cleanup crew, tirelessly working to make our world a cleaner place. Bioremediation is like having a microscopic cleanup crew working around the clock. These microorganisms can be used to clean up oil spills, heavy metals, pesticides, and even radioactive materials. These little guys are nature's recyclers. They break down complex pollutants into simpler, less harmful substances. They eat up pollutants and turn them into less harmful stuff like water and carbon dioxide. This process not only cleans up the environment but also helps in recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. It's a natural and sustainable way to clean up our planet. Pretty cool, huh? Bioremediation is being used all over the world to tackle some of the toughest pollution problems. So, buckle up as we explore the amazing world of bioremediation and how it's making our environment cleaner and safer for everyone. We'll look at real-life examples, meet the scientists behind the scenes, and discover how you can be a part of this incredible journey. Okay, let's break down this bioremediation thing. It's a fascinating process where nature itself helps clean up the messes we make. Basically, it's like a giant feast for microbes. Imagine a banquet where bacteria, fungi, and algae are the guests of honor. We're talking about bacteria, fungi, and even algae. These tiny organisms are incredibly diverse and can be found in almost every environment on Earth. These little guys are everywhere, and they play a crucial role in keeping our planet clean. From the soil beneath our feet to the water we drink, microbes are hard at work. They're like the garbage collectors of the environment. Just as garbage collectors keep our streets clean, microbes help keep our natural surroundings free of pollutants. These microbes have a superpower. They can break down complex pollutants. They possess unique enzymes that allow them to decompose substances that are otherwise harmful. Think of oil spills, pesticides, and even industrial waste. These are some of the most challenging pollutants to manage. These pollutants can be toxic and harmful to humans and the environment. They can contaminate water sources, soil, and even the air we breathe. But microbes can digest them. They break down these harmful substances into simpler, non-toxic compounds. They use these pollutants as food and energy. In the process, they convert dangerous chemicals into harmless byproducts. As they munch away, they transform these harmful substances into harmless byproducts. This natural process is not only efficient but also sustainable. Scientists and environmentalists harness this power of microbes in bioremediation projects. They carefully select and cultivate the right types of microbes to target specific pollutants. In laboratories, researchers study how different microbes interact with various pollutants. They experiment to find the most effective combinations for breaking down contaminants. Bioreactors are often used to create optimal conditions for microbes to thrive and work their magic. These controlled environments ensure that the microbes can efficiently clean up pollutants. The results can be astonishing. Polluted sites that once seemed beyond repair can be restored to their natural state, thanks to the incredible work of these tiny organisms. Community involvement is also crucial. Volunteers often help with planting vegetation that supports microbial activity, further enhancing the bioremediation process. Educational programs teach the next generation about the importance of bioremediation. Understanding how nature can heal itself is key to fostering a sustainable future. In the end, bioremediation helps create healthier ecosystems. Clean water, fertile soil, and vibrant plant life are all benefits of this natural cleanup process. So next time you hear about bioremediation, remember the tiny heroes working tirelessly to keep our planet clean. It's nature's way of taking care of itself with a little help from science. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty of how biodegradation actually works. It all boils down to enzymes. Enzymes are like tiny chemical scissors that microbes produce. These scissors can break down complex molecules and pollutants into smaller, simpler molecules. Imagine a big, greasy oil spill. Microbes see this as an all-you-can-eat buffet. They release their enzymes, which start chopping up the oil molecules into smaller pieces. These smaller pieces are then further broken down into even tinier molecules like carbon dioxide and water, and voila! The oil spill starts to disappear, thanks to our microscopic friends. Remember those massive oil spills you see on the news? They're devastating to marine life and coastal ecosystems. But don't worry, bioremediation is here to help. Microbes are natural responders to oil spills. They can break down the oil and help clean up the environment. When an oil spill occurs, naturally occurring microbes in the ocean get to work. This natural process is called natural attenuation. It's like the environment's self-cleaning mechanism. However, sometimes we need to give nature a helping hand. That's where biostimulation comes in. Section 5. Giving nature a boost, biostimulation and bioaugmentation. In this section we will explore two fascinating techniques that help nature clean up oil spills more efficiently. So how do we give these oil-eating microbes a boost? These tiny organisms are nature's own cleanup crew, but sometimes they need a little help to work faster and more effectively. Well, we can use a technique called biostimulation. This method involves adding substances to the environment to enhance the natural microbial activity. It's like giving the microbes a little extra food and oxygen. By providing them with the right nutrients, we can significantly speed up the process of breaking down the oil. We can add nutrients like fertilizers to the environment to stimulate their growth and activity. These nutrients act as a catalyst, boosting the natural degradation process. It's like providing them with an extra energy drink to speed up the cleanup process. Another approach is bioaugmentation. This technique takes bioremediation a step further. This involves introducing more microbes to the environment, specifically those that are really good at breaking down oil. These specialized microbes are often cultivated in labs and then released into the contaminated area. Think of it as bringing in a specialized cleanup crew. These microbes are like the elite forces of the microbial world, trained to tackle the toughest oil spills. It's like having a team of expert oil spill cleaners on the job. By combining biostimulation and bioaugmentation, we can create a powerful 1-2 punch that accelerates the natural cleanup process, making it more efficient and effective. These techniques not only help in cleaning up oil spills, but also play a crucial role in restoring natural habitats. They ensure that the environment can recover more quickly and sustain its biodiversity. The ultimate goal is to return the affected area to its original state, allowing wildlife to thrive once again. With biostimulation and bioaugmentation, we are giving nature the tools it needs to heal itself. So next time you hear about an oil spill, remember that these innovative techniques are hard at work, helping to restore balance and harmony to our precious ecosystems. Section 6. Cleaning our water, bioremediation in action. Bioremediation isn't just for oil spills, it's also a powerful tool for cleaning up wastewater. Wastewater treatment plants use microbes to remove pollutants from sewage and industrial wastewater before it's released back into the environment. Think of wastewater treatment plants as giant microbe farms. These plants provide the perfect environment for microbes to thrive and do their cleanup work. They remove harmful substances like organic matter, nutrients, and even pathogens from the wastewater, making it safe for discharge. Section 7. From sludge to clean water, the magic of wastewater treatment. One of the key processes in wastewater treatment is called activated sludge. It involves mixing wastewater with a whole bunch of microbes in a tank. These microbes go to town, consuming the organic matter in the wastewater. This process produces a sludge that's rich in microbes. This sludge is then settled in a different tank, and the clean water on top is discharged. The remaining sludge is further treated and can even be used as fertilizer. It's like turning waste into a valuable resource, all thanks to the power of microbes. Section 8. Wetlands, nature's water filters. Wetlands are like giant natural water filters. They're home to a diverse community of plants and microbes that work together to purify water. As water flows through a wetland, plants and microbes absorb and break down pollutants. Think of wetlands as Mother Nature's water treatment plants. They remove excess nutrients, sediment, and even harmful bacteria from the water. This helps to improve water quality and protect downstream ecosystems. Plus, wetlands provide important habitat for wildlife. It's a win-win. Section 9, a sustainable future, the promise of bioremediation. Bioremediation is a powerful tool for cleaning up our planet. It's natural, sustainable, and cost-effective. As we face increasing environmental challenges, bioremediation offers a promising solution. By harnessing the power of microbes, we can clean up polluted sites, protect our water resources, and create a healthier planet for generations to come. So, let's keep exploring the amazing world of bioremediation and unlock its full potential.